The enhanced laboratory management is visible in the science laboratory of the University of Cebu Main Senior High School campus. In borrowing laboratory apparatuses, students must fill out a borrower's slip with their school identification card and list all the apparatus needed. Then, the students will hand it to the working students in charge inside the science laboratory who will manually check the apparatus that the students will borrow and return. Also, the working students manually check the laboratory apparatuses inventory. Not only does this consume the time students spend borrowing, but it also shows the need for more technology integration as an innovative way to improve the system in the science laboratory. Most people who previously conducted some studies related to RFID and barcode examined these two variables separately. However, this study focuses on utilizing both RFID and barcode to create an enhanced apparatus system for the science laboratory of the campus.
The study aims to create an enhanced apparatus system which will be called the Scilab solution using the radio frequency identification RFID and the barcodes. The researcher's objective is to utilize the RFID to record all the transactions regarding the borrowing and returning of the laboratory apparatuses. Also, researchers will use barcodes for easier identification and inventory of the borrowed apparatuses by investigating the efficiency of the enhanced apparatus system in terms of inventory control, tracking, and monitoring. The study aims to contribute to enhancing the system in the science laboratory of the University of Cebu Main Senior High School that will benefit not only the students but the faculty and the working students as well.
Now that you know what our objective is in conducting this study, let us now proceed to the procedure on how the Scilab solution system was made.
The first step for the procedure is downloading XAMPP. XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache Friends. The programmer also used MySQL and PHP-MyAdmin. MySQL is used for managing and organizing data in a structured format using databases and tables. It supports various data types such as numeric, date and time, and string types, making it versatile for different data storage needs. Next is coding. The coding is done in different ways. The programmer made some of the codes from scratch, while the other codes was referenced from another management system available. In other words, the codes is from another template, like a library management system, since some of the process of borrowing apparatuses is the same as borrowing books in a library setting.
To test the performance of the Scilab solution system, let us now proceed to the 4 testing processes that we conducted, which are the RFID tag and barcode testing, distance detection, response time, and efficiency.
The first testing process that the researchers conducted was the RFID tag and barcode testing. This testing process involves the use of 10 school IDs, 10 barcodes of the laboratory apparatuses, RFID sensor, and barcode scanner. Multiple tags and barcodes are registered to examine the functionality and performance of the system. The next testing process that the researchers conducted is the distance detection. This testing process also involves the use of school IDs and barcodes, as well as a 12 inches ruler. The distance is measured with the ruler to determine the maximum distance of detecting the school IDs and barcodes. The next testing process is the response time. This process still involves the use of school IDs and barcodes, as well as a stopwatch. To determine the response time, the researchers will record the time of response the moment an ID or barcode is scanned. The last testing process that the researchers conducted is the efficiency. To test the efficiency of the system, the researchers conducted a survey to 31 students, including 2 working students of the science laboratory. The respondents were determined by the use of convenience sampling.
Now, let us analyze the results of our investigation about the performance and efficiency of Scilab solution system in apparatus management.
After conducting the testing processes, these are the findings made based on the data gathered. First, the Scilab solution system is efficient as an enhanced apparatus system. Second, the Scilab solution system is efficient in terms of the following. In RFID tag and barcode testing, the Scilab solution system is functional and reliable because it consistently registers the unique ID numbers and barcodes of the tags and laboratory apparatuses. In distance detection, the Scilab solution system can detect the RFID tags at a consistent maximum distance of 6.0 cm and the barcodes at a maximum distance of 26.0 cm. In response time, the Scilab solution system is able to respond immediately after scanning the RFID tags in a range span of 0.49 to 0.60 seconds and the barcodes at a range span of 0.50 to 0.60 seconds.
Overall, the study finding shows that utilizing radio frequency identification and barcode is efficient and enhanced apparatus management system. Through a survey, the researchers discovers the Scilab solution system's efficiency as enhanced apparatus management system for the science laboratory of the University of Cebu main senior high school campus. The Scilab solution systems displays its capability of registering the unique ID numbers and the barcodes of the tags and laboratory apparatuses. Also, radio frequency identification can detect a maximum distance of 6.0 cm and the barcode at a maximum distance of 26 cm, which is ideal and convenient. Moreover, in a range of 0.49 to 0.60 seconds for radio frequency identification, the Scilab solution system can respond immediately, while in a range of 0.50 to 0.60, it responds immediately to the system while using a barcode scanner.